Hi, it's me. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning about 5 fun facts about sharks that you probably didn't know. So make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on any of the facts. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Sharks existed before trees. Did you know that sharks have been around for over 400 million years? That's more than 100 million years before the first trees appeared on land. The fossil record shows that sharks evolved during the Ordovician period, which began around 485 million years ago. During this time, the Earth's oceans were teeming with life, including the ancestors of modern sharks. Over millions of years, these creatures evolved into the many different species of sharks that we know today. Sharks have been able to thrive in a variety of environments because they are so adaptable. They've also been able to survive for so long because they're at the top of the food chain. In fact, sharks are one of the most successful groups of animals on the planet. There are over 500 species of shark alive today, and they're found in all of the world's oceans. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes. The biggest shark is the whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh more than 47,000 pounds. The smallest shark is the dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 8 inches long. Sharks are truly amazing creatures, and it's likely that there are even more species of shark that we don't know about yet. The ocean is so vast and mysterious that it's possible that there are many more sharks swimming around in it that we haven't discovered yet. Who knows what other incredible creatures we might find in the deep, dark depths of the ocean? Maybe one day we'll discover a shark that's even bigger or more venomous than the ones we know about today. Or maybe we'll find a shark that can glow in the dark or change colors. The possibilities are really endless. What do you think? What other amazing creatures do you think might be living in the ocean? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then make sure to hit that like button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Fact number 2. Some sharks can detect a single drop of blood in the water. Sharks have an incredible sense of smell, which they use to locate prey such as fish and seals. But did you know that some species of shark can detect just 1 drop of blood in the water from miles away? Scientists believe that this ability is due to the shark's highly sensitive olfactory receptors. These receptors allow the shark to detect chemicals in the water, such as those found in blood, urine, and other bodily fluids. In fact, some researchers estimate that sharks have up to 100 times more olfactory receptors than humans do. This means that they can pick up on odors that are extremely faint and would be impossible for us to detect. Sharks use their sense of smell in a variety of ways. For example, they rely on it to find mates and to identify potential threats. In addition, some species of shark can even distinguish between different types of prey based on their scent. For example, tiger sharks are known to be attracted to the smell of human blood, while hammerhead sharks prefer the scent of fish blood. This incredible sense of smell makes sharks some of the most efficient predators in the ocean. They're able to locate their prey from far away and then quickly strike when the time is right. Without their keen sense of smell, sharks would have a much harder time surviving in their environment. Sharks have been on Earth for hundreds of millions of years and have evolved to become some of the most successful predators in the ocean. One reason for their success is their incredible sense of smell. Sharks can detect chemicals in the water that humans can't, which helps them find food, mates, and avoid danger. Fact number 3. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. As we mentioned earlier in the video, the whale shark is the largest fish in the world. Whale sharks are truly massive creatures that can reach lengths of up to 40 feet and weigh more than 47,000 pounds. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are actually quite gentle giants. They feed on plankton and small fish and pose no threat to humans. In fact, whale sharks are often seen swimming alongside divers and snorkelers without causing any harm. Whale sharks are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. They're most active during the day and spend their time swimming near the surface of the water. Whale sharks are truly a sight to behold and are an important part of our planet's biodiversity. They play an important role in the marine ecosystem and help keep the balance of nature in check. Protecting these majestic creatures is essential for the health of our oceans. Whale sharks are threatened by a number of factors, including overfishing and climate change. It's important that we take steps to protect these animals and ensure that they continue to thrive in our oceans for generations to come. We can do this by reducing our own carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and raising awareness about the importance of protecting wildlife. Whale sharks are truly remarkable creatures, and it's up to us to ensure that they remain a part of our planet's biodiversity. Fact number 4. Sharks don't have bones. Sharks don't have bones like humans and other mammals do. Instead, their skeletons are made of cartilage, the same material that makes up your nose and ears. Cartilage is lighter and more flexible than bone, which gives sharks more freedom of movement in the water. It also helps them maintain their body shape without needing a strong skeletal structure. However, cartilage is not as strong as bone, which means that sharks are more vulnerable to injury. Despite this, sharks have been able to thrive in a variety of environments around the world. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes, from the small dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. Their bodies are adapted for their particular way of life. For example, the hammerhead shark has a wide, flat head that allows it to see in almost all directions. The great white shark has a torpedo-like body that helps it swim quickly and efficiently through the water. No matter what their shape or size, all sharks have one thing in common: their skeletons are made of cartilage instead of bone. This unique feature allows them to be more flexible and agile in the water, but it also makes them more vulnerable to injury. Nevertheless, sharks have been able to adapt and thrive in a variety of environments around the world. Fact number 5. Some shark species glow in the dark. Sharks are fascinating creatures that can be found in all of the world's oceans. Some species of shark have the ability to glow in the dark, which is a truly remarkable adaptation that helps them survive in their environment. The ability to glow in the dark, also known as bioluminescence, is a result of a chemical reaction that occurs within the shark's body. This reaction involves a compound called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When these two substances are combined in the presence of oxygen, they emit light. Sharks use this ability to communicate with each other, to attract prey, and to camouflage themselves. Bioluminescence is most commonly seen in deep-sea sharks where sunlight does not penetrate. In these dark depths, bioluminescence can help sharks to stand out from the darkness and be seen by potential mates or prey. Some sharks even use bioluminescence to lure their prey. For example, the lantern shark has a light-producing organ on its head that it uses to attract small fish. The fish are drawn to the light and become an easy meal for the lantern shark. Other sharks, such as the cookie-cutter shark, use bioluminescence to camouflage themselves. They can turn their bodies a greenish color, which helps them blend in with the light that filters down from the surface of the water. This makes it harder for predators to spot them, giving them a better chance of survival. Bioluminescence is a truly amazing adaptation that allows some sharks to thrive in their environment. From communicating with each other to attracting prey to camouflaging themselves, bioluminescence helps sharks survive in the darkest depths of our oceans. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and learning with us. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new about sharks. If you did, then make sure to leave us a like and subscribe for more fun science videos. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.